Yes, be muted, children. Muted and join. Be muted.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, children. Be muted and join. Now, today in the class, we are going to deal with Mela Maneshri poem. You please open that book, course book.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Emma. Good morning, all of you children. Open your course book. Good morning. Open your course book, all of you.
Okay, ma'am.
Mela Maneshri poem we are going to see now. We are going to learn in this class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Emma.
Good.
Take your course books, children. All of you take your course books. Page number 37. Page number 37. Course books.
Ma'am, course book.
Yes, course book, page number 37. Course book, page number 37. Course book, page number 37.
Okay, ma'am.
Children, take your course book, page number 37. Course book, page 37.
Okay, ma'am. Can you help in the page number 34? You told ma'am that meaning is sports.
Yes. Now, I'm also opening same page, children. I will share my screen. Please be muted. Don't interrupt the class. If you have really any doubt, please raise your hand or else you can speak with me. But unnecessarily, please don't disturb the class. Okay? This is my humble request. Please follow so that only we can complete our portions and we can learn also well. Okay? Good.
Tell the answer in next class. 36 page number. I got the answers. Those are.
I'll share.
Can you help?
Vishnu, I'll send you answers, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, I'll send all the second lesson answers at a time. You can check your answers. Let me share my screen.
I do page number 36.
Yes, have you all completed page number 36, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
good. And I'll send you answers. Please check your answers, okay? Yes, this is our present topic, Mela Maneshri. Here, this video after teaching today, I'll post in the WhatsApp group. You please go through that. You can understand better. Are you clear, children?
Ma'am, can you only now you can play that video?
Vishnu, you follow teacher. Don't
Okay,
advise teacher. Please follow teacher. I said I'll post video in WhatsApp group. You see there. I won't show you now. Okay? Yes. This is Mela Maneshri. That means that children here, Mela means that it's kind of market. That means you might have observed this. In different areas on different days, we'll be having small markets. In that market, we can buy everything. Vegetables, dresses and toys, books, groceries, everything we get in that market. Have you seen that kind of markets? Children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that is what That is what is called Mela. Mela means it's a kind of market. It's a special market. It won't be regular, and on some occasions, or else if it is Friday, every Friday market will be there. Otherwise, for some festivals also, we'll be having different markets. So that also will come under Mela. Here, Managed means here they are managing, they are conducting one mela. Who are conducting mela here, children? All the animals of the forest. See, different kinds of animals are there. All these animals having one mela here, one get together, and they had a mela also. They had a simple market also there, and they enjoyed also. That is what is called our lesson, Mela Menagerie. And I'm just reading the lesson. I'll just read one full poem, children. After that, I will read two lines and I'll explain you. Okay? Next. See, it was summer time. The animals were having a mela. The elephants cooked curried pumpkin with tikka masala.
Ma'am,
Sunshine
what is
frogs.
Mela?
Mela means it's a kind of market. We get all the different things there. It's an occasion mela, maybe. Melas will be different kinds. Occasion melas will be, weekly melas will be.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of cobra?
What I said, children, this is what yesterday I told you already. I didn't explain still poem. I said already, I will read full poem once. After that, two sentences I'll explain you. While explaining, I'll give difficult meaning words also. If you didn't get still, then you ask me. Okay. Next. See. It was summertime. The animals were having a mela. The elephants cooked curried pumpkin with tikka masala. Sunshine frogs and mice sheltered under the hood of a cobra. Bears and cockatoos swapped couplets and a mini mushair. Horses and camels prance and dance a fantastic banjara. Tigers took pot shot at juicy papayas for 1 paisa. Lions showed off paws decorated with delicate henna. Donkeys for a love crowned mule their day-long Maharaja. Yes, pelicans swallowed spores with mango chutney and paratha. Sinbad ships sailed in on waves of dolphin abracadabra. It was summertime. The animals were having mela. This is our poem. Now I'll read every 2 lines. I'll give you meaning. Try to understand. Whenever I am teaching, you try to understand. If you didn't get anything, you can ask me, but before itself, don't ask me. See, it was summertime. Summertime means that is the summer season. We have different kinds of seasons: autumn, spring, winter, summer. Like that, we'll be having different seasons now per year. Every year, this is the summer season. Summer time that was. At that time, the animals were having a mela, and here animals are celebrating something. They had a get together. In this context, we can understand a get together. We'll be having our family get togethers also, children. Actual meaning of mela is market. Actual meaning of mela is market. Different kinds of market. Maybe weekly markets, maybe daily markets, maybe occasional markets, maybe festival markets. Like that, mela means market. But in our lesson here, Mela means it's a kind of get together. And in our families and friends, they also will have some get togethers. We meet each other, we eat, we cook something, we eat and we play for some time or we enjoy. That is what is called. They are also having all the animals in the summer time. They are having a get together here, children. What are all the animals doing in that mela, in that get together? We'll see. Yes, we'll see. The elephants cooked curried pumpkin with tikka masala. Tikka masala means, it's a slang, children. It is not an English word. Tikka masala means it's a kind of masala. You just understand, it's a kind of masala. Masala means we use in curries now while preparing. Ask your mother. And while they were preparing curries and all those, they add masalas for fragrance and for taste. That is what is masala, children. And here, what animals are doing, what elephants are doing. Elephants are cooking. They cooked something. What is that they cooked? Pumpkin. Do you know pumpkin? It's a vegetable. Big will be yellow color. Do you know all of you pumpkin? Pumpkin.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
We call that Gummadikaya, ma'am.
Yes, in Telugu we call it as Gummadikaya. That is only pumpkin, children. Here, elephants are cooking some curry. They made some curry with tikka masala. Tikka masala means it's a kind of different masala. That is masala only, but different masala. With that tikka masala, elephants prepared one pumpkin curry. And what these frogs are doing? Sunshine frogs. Here, sunshine frogs means naturally frogs will be in water. They never come out, so that they never face the sunlight.
Some will come out, ma'am.
Some will come out, but mostly they'll be in water only. They never face sun in the afternoon time or else in the hot sun. Right? In hot sun, do they come out, frogs? No. Evening time or else early morning they come out when weather is too cool. When
Cobra.
I'll tell you. I'll come and I'll tell you. See, sunshine frogs means here naturally frogs will not come out in hot sun, so that only we are calling sunshine. Sunshine means they don't face sun directly. They are shy of sun. That means sunshine frogs and mice. Mice, maybe you know mice. Do you know mice? Mice, children. Mouse, mice.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
is
That's ma'am.
rats. Yes. Yes. Mice means this is the plural number. Here, sunshine frogs and mice, what they are doing? Sheltered under the hood of cobra. Hood means head. Hood means, yes, hood means head, children. Head, children. Head of cobra will be na. We'll say in Telugu padaga. We'll say in Telugu padaga. 1 second. Yes, in Telugu we'll say padaga. Head of that cobra. Cobra means big snake. Cobra means it's a big snake. Here, head of, hood of cobra means head of cobra is there. Head of cobra will be like this. Under this, here, mice and frogs, they are taking shelter. Shelter means what, children? They are just trying to escape from the hot sun. Outside hot sun was there. It was very hot. But so that they came to cobra, under hood of cobra, under the head of cobra. They are taking shelter. Are you clear with this? Next, bears and cockatoos. Cockatoos means it's a kind of bird, children. It's a kind of bird. And here, bears you may be knowing. These are bears. Bears and cockatoos, what they are doing? Swapped couplets and a mini mushaira. Here, swapped means exchanging, just exchanging. Couplet means in a poem, 2 lines of poem is called couplet. Are you all listening to me? All are in there. Some are doing pens with something, playing with books, roaming here and there. Threads. So many things you are doing. Try to concentrate.
Yes,
After
ma'am.
that, you will ask, what is this? What is that? Here,
Ma'am,
swapped means just exchanging. And couplet means 2 lines of a poem is called couplet. Monish. Next, in a mini means small one. Mini mushaira. Mushaira means it's a meeting. What bears and cockatoos are doing, children? They are just exchanging two lines of poem in a meeting. They had a mela, no? They had a meeting. They had a get together. In that get together, bears and cockatoos, they're just reciting two lines poems and they are just enjoying. Horses and camels prance and dance a fantastic Bhangra. Here, Bhangra means it's a kind of dance, children. Bhangra means it's a kind of dance. In dance, we'll be having different Kuchipudi, Bharatanatyam like that. Bhangra also is a kind of dance. Here,
are those ostriches?
huh? Yes, somebody talking?
Ma'am, are those ostriches?
Ostriches. Ostriches. Which are ostriches?
Ma'am, 2 are there.
Who is this why?
Ma'am, why, ma'am? Somebody, why?
Who is this? Speak with me, ma. Who is this why?
Ma'am, ma'am, I am bad. He wrote all the classes. I am bad. He wrote.
And he's scribbling the screen also in classes. Ma'am.
Right beside all classes.
One second, children. One second. Please unmute, ma. Who is this why? Okay, I'll share. Yes, see here, horses and camels, what they are doing? Pranced. Pranced means moving quickly, fast they are doing. What they are doing fast? Danced a fantastic Bhangra. And they are dancing fastly this Bhangra dance. They are doing Bhangra dance fastly. What are the animals doing Bhangra dance, children here? Horses and camels.
Yes.
Now, tigers took pot shot at juicy papayas for 1 paisa. And here, pot shot means actually if you throw like this, that is pot shot. And what these tigers are doing, they are throwing juicy papayas only for 1 paisa. That means if anybody comes there to buy papayas, tigers are taking 1 paisa and giving papayas, juicy papayas. That is what tigers took pot shot at juicy papayas for 1 paisa. Pot shot means actual real meaning is throwing like this. But here we can understand it is selling. Next, lions showed off paws decorated with delicate henna. Palm is foot of animals is called paw, children. Here, lions, they had some henna. Henna means mehendi, children. They applied some mehendi to their foot and they are showing their feet to the other people, their foot to the other animals. In the Mela.
Ma'am, henna means they will apply to the hair also, ma'am.
Yes, hair also, but in this context, they apply to their feet. Mehendi we can understand. Next, donkeys for a love crowned mule, they day-long Maharaja. Here, what donkeys are doing just for fun. For a love means just for fun. What they did? They crowned, they made mule as their Maharaja just for 1 day only. Mule is an animal which is a crossbreed, children. It comes from donkey and horse. Donkey and horse crossbreed is
Donkey
called
is king.
mule. Mule means it's a crossbreed. You know, crossing, hybrid we get. Hybrid flowers, hybrid fruits, like that we get the children. They are crossbreeds. Do you know that? Yes or no, children?
Ma'am, I know that, ma'am.
Yes, like
Ma'am,
that.
Maharaja means king.
King, Maharaja means king. Here, what donkeys are doing? They're just making mule as their Maharaja, as their king, just for one day. It's only for fun. They are playing in this mela, in this get together. What they are doing? They are making mule as their king just for one day, and they are enjoying. Mule means it's a crossbreed of donkey and horse, children. That is mule. Next, pelican swallowed swords with mango chutney and paratha. You can see that picture in this page only. See, these are the pelicans. What pelicans are doing? Like cranes will be like that only. Pelicans also will be, children. And what these pelicans are doing? They're having parathas with mango chutney. Along with that, they're just swallowing swords also. Sword means big swords. Knife like will be big. Sword will be. People will fight in wars. Do you know that? Have you seen in movies?
I didn't understand.
Sword is a tool. It's a tool, children. Here, olden days, kings, they used to fight in the wars with swords only. Big ones will be.
Like knife, ma'am.
Like
Ma'am, like knife, ma'am.
like knife only it will be, but big one. Big one.
Yes, ma'am.
If you watch old movies, they'll be fighting like this with knife. In one hand, they'll be having knife. In another hand, they have some shield. With shield, they protect themselves, and with this knife, they attack others. That is sword, children. Big knife, that is a sword. What this pelican is doing, these pelicans are doing, children, they are swallowing swords also along with this mango chutney and paratha. Paratha means chapati like. Yes. And here, next one, Sinbad's ship sailed in on the waves of dolphin abracadabra. That means here Sindbad is a sailor. He is a great sailor. You might have seen so many Sindbad stories. Do you know who is Sindbad? He is a great sailor. Do you know this story, Sindbad story, children? Did you heard his name?
Sailor.
You didn't
No,
hear?
ma'am.
No. Yes. After class, you just type Sindbad stories. You will get in YouTube or somewhere. Okay. They're very familiar stories. All small children like you, they used to watch those stories daily. And it's a Sindbad. Sinbad stories. And here, Sinbad, he is a great sailor, children. He is a great sailor. Sailor means the person who travel in the water, in ships. And here, this Sinbad's ship is sailing in a ocean or in sea somewhere on the waves of dolphin abracadabra. That means here, dolphins with their abracadabra. Abracadabra means magic. Dolphins, they did some magic and they created one big ocean, and in that big ocean, in that magical ocean, Sinbad's ship is sailing. That means, and here it was summertime, the animals were having a mela. And like this, in the summer season, all the animals, they are enjoying in a
What is
mela. Now you ask me if you have any doubts. One by one. Raise your hands.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of this? Ma'am, what is the meaning of this?
Cockatoons.
Yes, ma'am.
Cockatoon is a kind
Ma'am,
of
I
bird.
underline what I. Ma'am, I
Cockatoon
underline-
means Vishnu. It's a kind of bird. Last year, tell me, ma'am. Last year.
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
Ma'am, this one is
Vishnu, this is what I don't want. I gave you chance. You wait. Last year is talking now. You please wait. Habituate that children. Last year.
I didn't understand tikka masala, ma'am.
Tikka masala means it's a kind of masala. Masala means ask your mother. Ask your mother. 1 second. Ask your mother. Masala. We use different masalas in Kati's Nama while preparing. Those are masala. Tikka masala means it's a kind of different masala. That's all.
The crop. Ma'am, what is cobra?
1 second.
Ma'am, paneer tikka masala. Ma'am, what is mela?
1 second. Mela means it's a get together. In our lesson, it's a get together. In general, Mela means it's a market. Pradyumna, yes, Chandrika, wait. Here, Pradyumna, Mela means generally Mela means it's a market. But in our lesson, here Mela means it's a get together. It's a party, family party like. Next, Bhargavi.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of abracadabra?
Abracadabra means it's a magic. Abracadabra means magic. Sinbad, ship is sailing in abracadabra water. That means there is no water. These dolphins, with their magic, they created some water. In that water, Sinbad, that the ship is sailing. That means. Clear, Bhargavi? Next,
Yes,
Dhruti. What is your doubt, Dhruti? Remaining 1 second. Remaining children read poem.
Ma'am, what is meaning of money? Money pushat.
Mushai. Mini means small. Mini means small. Mushaira means meeting. Next, Pravasti.
Yes, ma'am. What is meaning of pelicans, ma'am?
Pelicans means in your textbook, crane like one bird is there, na? That is pelican. Okay? Yes, Vishnu.
I got how many marks in MCQ?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of
Ma'am,
this?
I got how many marks in exam?
Puneet, 1 second. Puneet,
Ma'am, what is
your report card will be created soon. Within 1 or 2 days, you can see because we go to different classes. 6 classes will go. We can't remember all the students' marks more. Okay? Please do go through MCB. Vishnu.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of this couplet?
Vishnu, tell me.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of these couplets?
Couplets means 2 lines of a poem are called couplet. Couplet means 2 lines of a poem. Ashwita.
Yes, ma'am. What is meaning of swapped?
Swallowed.
Swapped.
1 second. I'll just come back to the poem and I'll see. 1 second, Amma. Ashwita, wait 1 second. Where is swapped? This one?
Ma'am, 18th line.
Swapped couplets. This swapped you are asking?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Here, swapped means in this context, exchanged. Next.
Okay, ma'am.
If your doubt is clear, please lower your hand. Dhruti, I spoke with you already. Sahasra, tell me, ma.
Ma'am, what is pot shot?
Pot shot means actually if you throw anything like this, that is pot shot. But in our lesson, in this poem, we can understand they are just selling.
Ma'am, I'm Daksha, ma'am. My network is so bad, ma'am. That's why I joined, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, children. Okay. And any more hands? Chaitra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
What is the meaning of mini musha?
Mini means small. Mini means small. Mushaira means meeting. Mini means small. Mushaira means meeting. Ashwita, your doubt is clear. No, lower your hand.
Ma'am, what is pelican?
Pelicans means in your textbook, a crane like some bird is there. No, that is pelican. Vishnu, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, finish, ma'am.
Yes, lower your hand, ma'am. Aditi.
Yes, ma'am. I have
Yes,
a doubt.
one second, Lasya. Aditi, what is your doubt? You raise your hand, no, so that again.
Ma'am, by mistake, ma'am.
Yes, okay, ma, no problem. Go through poem. Lasya.
Ma'am, what is meaning by Bagara?
Bhangra. Bhangra is a kind of Gujarati dance. It's a different style in dance. Like Kuchipudi, Bharatanatyam, like that we have different kinds of dance, no? Like Bhangra is also kind of dance.
Dance from the particular in Punjab.
Yes, Punjab or Gujarati people also will do that dance.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, all of you now read the textbook, read the poem. After poem, we are having textbook exercises. You are going to do on your own all those textbook exercises now in the class only. Make it fast.
Over, ma'am.
That's
over.
yes. If it is over, just go through poem once again. Meanwhile, I'll take attendance.
Ma'am, mine also over, ma'am. Sahasra.
If yours is over, one second, quiet, one second, children. Listen to me, all of you. All of you read poem and after poem, you are having textbook exercises. Complete all those textbook exercises now in the class only. I will take attendance now. Respond to your attendance, children. Respond to your attendance.
Okay, ma'am.
Be muted. Fourth B.
I'm not getting the
Be muted, I said. Children, if you follow some rules and regulations in the class, we can continue our classes smoothly. Or else, if you are shouting, otherwise without any restrictions, without any rules and regulations, if you are going, we can't do anything. You can't learn anything. I can't teach anything. Okay, try to follow some rules. Whenever you are having doubt, raising hand, when others are talking, just being on mute. These are all common rules in the class. Try to follow. I'm just muting you all. I'm calling out your names. Please respond to your attendance. Aditi is present. Lasya is present. Manvita, are you there in the class? Yes, sir.
Rasna.
Yes, you are there. Jessica is there. Next, Puneet is there. Yes. Puneet is there. Satvik, Naga Satvik.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. And next, Hamsika. Not there. Bhargavi is there. Gauri is there. Abhiram is there. Pradyumna is there. Daksha. Daksha, are you there in the class?
Present, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, thank you, thank you. Adish. Adish.
Present, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes. Abraham, I have seen Abraham also. Ashwant. 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 Ashwita. Ashwita is there. Ashwant is absent. Ashwita is there. Chaitra. Chaitra is there. Darshanath is there. Dhruti is there. Jashmita. Jashmita, are you there? Yes, she is there. And Karunya Suhas. Karunya Suhas. Karunya. If you are there in the class, please respond. Karunya. Yes. Monish. I have seen Monish also. Pravasti. Pravasti.
Present, ma'am.
Present. Yes. Richard. Richard.
Ma'am, Jashmita present, ma'am. Jashmita.
Yes, I gave you present. Yes, I have seen you. I have seen you. If I remember you. Yes, Sahasra, I gave you also present. Wait. Richard. Richard. Sahasra A and Sahasra A, no, you are?
Yes, ma'am.
Sahasra A is present and your initial Sahasra?
Sahasra, ma'am, SV Sahasra and A Sahasra, ma'am.
Oh,
Both
yes,
are
yes,
there.
yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes. Manashwini. Manashwini. Yes.
Present.
Sai Sat. Yes, ma'am, I gave you Manashwini. Sai Satvika.
Present, ma'am.
Good, thank you. Shwetan. Sai Shwetan.
Present, ma'am.
Shwetan, are you completing all your works on time?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, did you complete first lesson notes completely? First lesson notes, grammar book, everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma, good. Next, Sana. Sana. Sana, are you there in the class? Yes, Saman. Saman. Are you there, ma?
Present, ma'am. I'm
Yes,
present.
yes, yes. Shaurya, I have seen. Sikhar. Sikhar. Sikhar, are you there in the class? Taman. Sikhar, Taman, Vanya.
Ma'am, Vanya.
Vanya present. And Venkata Sahasra. You are only SV
Present,
Sahasra.
ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. Vikas, Vishnu. Vikas, present. Vishnu. Yes, yes, I have seen you. Vikas and Vishnu are present. Taman, Shikhar.
Now only Taman left, ma'am. Now only.
Okay, Sikhar, are you there in the class? Yes, 6 are absentees. Thank you, children. Yes, thank you, children. And you just read. Who is this? Pradyumna?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I gave you present. I gave you present. Children, after class, I'll post your classwork and homework in MCB. In MCB, listen to me. In MCB, communication will be. In communication, class diary will be. There, today onwards, I'll post classwork and homework. Please check your class diary daily for the classwork and homework. Are you all clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm repeating. Listen to me, children. Daily, yes, Ma Bhargavi. Daily,
Ma'am,
check your
I have a doubt.
MCB.
Ma'am, this is
1 second. 1 second. 1 second. In MCB, communications class diary will be there. Only teachers are going to post classwork and homework. Please don't ask again and again. It will be there in MCB. Please check there. Now you ask me whatever you want to ask. Who is that?
Ma'am, I'm not understanding that 38 page number managed for
I didn't understand you also, Vishnu, what you are saying. You never say anything clearly. I don't know why, Vishnu. Be clear. Be clear in your thought and talk. I'm not understanding. Whenever you talk, it will be some glitchy. Yes.
Ma'am, I am not understanding that